How are we doing with using AI-based programming assistance for privacy-related code generation, the developer's experience? We conducted a survey with 51 professional developers worldwide. We found that AI-based programming assistants need to be improved in order for developers to better trust them with generating code that ensures privacy. What a shocker. Essentially, it is no surprise that people generally agree that LLMs cannot consistently produce good quality output. They often fail in even completing their tasks. You have an unfulfilled tasks for privacy preserving code here. You cannot trust them to ensure privacy. You cannot trust them to ensure that they provide good security measures. And you have to put in extra effort on top of basic output in order to ensure privacy in your code. There's very little, if any, transparency on how these things come to the conclusions that they do. They do not know, like the people who use them, do not know how to often interpret how the LLM got from point A to point C. And as a result, these professionals that were at least surveyed here, based on the survey, generally agree that these LLM systems are not good for security and privacy. This isn't a shocker. I don't think that I have to spend much time on this particular paper because I think this is pretty well known. So when it comes to the actual usefulness of the output of these LLMs, it only takes you so far, and it doesn't actually save you time, because here's the problem. You have a compounding set of issues. So on the one hand, you have the first issue, which is the quality of output is bad. Then you also have on top of that lack of privacy and security. And then at the end, you have to go back through everything that was just generated, and you start with no knowledge about the stuff that was created, especially if you are vibe coding, which means you're going to have to read code that you're probably going to have to redo or add on anyways. Again, where is the benefit to this? What time are you actually saving? One more time, unlike other streamers and influencers and people out there, I'm telling you, just don't do this. You're not getting any benefit out of it. Just go do it yourself, because most often you're going to be doing that anyways, but you're going to learn a lot more. You save yourself a bunch of time by just dealing with these things yourself. Just put on your brain. I know it's hard, okay, but you guys mostly are not lazy people. Just go deal with this yourself.